How to fix Gmail not receiving email problem. Just below the search bar you will find refresh button. Click on it a few times and your email may appear. Then go to Google Apps right beside your profile icon. Then click on Google Drive. Then go to Storage. Check if your storage is full more than 80%. If it is, then try deleting some unnecessary files, folders or videos. Now let's go back to Gmail and check our spam folder, all mail folder here. Then let's go to manage labels. Then click on filters and blocked addresses. Check if there are any blocked addresses or filters that might be stopping emails from coming. Then delete those. Press on OK. Now finally let's go back to our inbox, refresh it a few times and our emails will be there. Thank you. If you find this video helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel and leave us a comment down below.